Volunteer Week is a special week where we celebrate our heroes here in the hospital, the ones who devote their time and talent and skills for the betterment of others. My name is Ron Hood and I'm the System Manager of Volunteer Services for Central Maine Healthcare, and I'm nothing but proud of all the work that my people do on a daily basis for the CMH staff, families, patients, and everybody in this community to make it a better place to live and work.
Thank you to all of our volunteers.
We really appreciate you.
I couldn't do all my work without all the volunteers we have here and the wonderful work you all do. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all you do. You have no idea how valuable you are.
Thank you, Mickey. And thank you to all of our volunteers at BRIDGTON Hospital. You are the very heart and soul of what we do at Central Maine Medical Center. About a year ago, we had to send you out so we were all safe, and we're ever so glad you're back. We realized once we left, we always knew what we had, but once you all left, we really understood that the value and the scope of what you did for us. We're glad you're back. We look forward to welcoming more of you back as the vaccines ramp up. We're ever so glad to celebrate with you. We're sorry we don't have a big dinner and a lot of fun to do, but you know what? That will come again. In the meantime, know from the bottom of our hearts that we very much appreciate all the time you give us, and we're glad you're back at CMMC.
Well, we miss our volunteers very, very much. We haven't seen them in a year.
They're definitely dearly missed and would love to see them back ASAP.
We miss our volunteers here at BRIDGTON Hospital.
Yes, they always sat with the patients. They did a really good job easing their stay here. We miss you guys.
Come back soon.
We miss you so much, and I look forward to having you come back and be with us, even though you haven't been here over the last year. I know that you've been with us in spirit and that you're doing a lot of work behind the scenes to keep things going, whether it's making the blankets or making masks for us. We really appreciate you and look forward to seeing you soon.
So we would like to thank Mickey Bailey for being such a wonderful volunteer in the lab. We love her. She's part of our family now, and we can't thank her enough.
Thank you,
volunteers.
Volunteers.
Thank you, volunteers.
We all miss the volunteers. They do such a great job, and we can't wait for them to come back.
The majority of hospitals across the country started from volunteers coming together to protect and care for the community. And for over 100 years, all of those volunteers have continued to be a steady force in day-to-day operations, fundraising, and supporting the community and connections with the hospital. We're really grateful for all the hard work our volunteers do. We couldn't be more proud. They are the biggest department, they are the most effective, and they have the greatest level of pride. So thank you very much to all our volunteers. Happy Volunteer Week.
We love you, volunteers. Thank you for everything you do.
You guys are amazing.
To all of our volunteers who support our mission at Central Maine Healthcare, I want to thank you for all that you've done on our behalf. We would not be able to fulfill our mission to our communities without the many hours that you donate on our behalf. For all of you, thank you for everything that you've done.